So today's song is one that a few of my students have learned already, but it's been requested that I do a tutorial on it. So here it is. This is Someone You Loved. So I'm going to do things slightly differently today, and I'm going to start off by showing you the whole chorus so you know how it's going to sound when you've got the two hands together. So as you can see, there's a lot of flats. The right hand has got every note on a flat apart from the middle finger here, which is on F. So you've got D flat, E flat, F, G flat and A flat. The very first pattern we're going to do is just 3 D flats and then G flat on your fourth and F here on your middle finger. So it goes. And there's lots of really short bits and there'll be a left hand note in between each of these. So that's why I'm going to do it in little short bursts. So that's the first one more time. The second one is almost the same, except it's just 2 on the D flat this time. The third group is the same again, except it's got an E flat added to the end. So if I just do those first 3, so we're going to start off with 3 on the D flat, and just 2 this time, and with the E flat added. And then the last bit of this phrase goes. That's 3 D flats, then up to your A flat on your little finger, and then dropping to the F here. So if I play the whole of that so far, you've got on the right hand 3 D flats to start with, then 2 with the E flat, okay. Then the next bit starts off the same again, so you've got 3 D flats, and then we go straight to 3 D flats and adding the E flat on the end, so we get, which is sort of a combination of the second and third phrases from the first little bit. So if I play that again, so this is the second half of the chorus. And then we're onto the bit that goes, I was getting kind of used to being someone you loved. That bit, which is loads and loads of Fs, actually 7 in total. So it's, and then 2 E flats, 2 D flats, 2 E flats, and another E flat, D flat. So we've got 7 Fs, 2 E flats, 2 D flats, 2 E flats, and another E flat, D flat. Okay, so if I play the whole of that right hand right from the beginning, and I'll talk you through it as we go. So it starts off with 3 D flats, then 2, add the E flat, 3, up to A flat, then back to 3 again, 3 again with the E flat, 7 Fs, 2, 2, and then E flat, D flat. Okay, and that's the whole chorus on the right hand. You could just play the right hand, but if you want to add the left hand in as well, we're going to put your thumb on the D flat. So this is middle C here, it's an octave down from that, that's another C. So you've got thumb on D flat, little finger would be all the way down to G flat, but the next one in the row is going to be A flat. So we're going to go A flat on the fourth, B flat on the third, and then down to the little finger on G flat. And it's that pattern keeps repeating basically. So fourth, third on the B flat, and G flat. Then to put all these together, you're going to have a left hand note in between each short phrase. So you get left hand, where they're actually together. On the last F you do with the B flat, and then finishing there, and that's what you get all together. So it's just those 4 notes keeping going in between the gaps, and I'll play one more time, the whole thing put together up to speed. enjoyed that one. If you did, you can hit the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel by hitting the link that's on the screen now to see more videos. Have fun!